How to fix the status access violation error code in Google Chrome. Hello friends, to fix this error code in Google Chrome, follow the steps. Click on three dots, click on settings, click on reset settings from the left sidebar. Click on restore settings to their original defaults. Click on reset settings. Then check if the issue is fixed and the error status access violation doesn't appear. If the error still appears, go to System and turn off this option. Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. If the issue still occurs, then delete browsing data. Click on Privacy and Security. Click on Delete Browsing Data. Go to the Advanced tab. Click on this drop down and select All Time. Check the options. Leave this option, password and other sign-in data, and click on Delete Data. If it still persists, then turn off extensions. Click on Extensions. Turn off all the extension. Then check if the problem is solved. If the problem still occurs, then update the browser. Click on About Chrome. Google Chrome is automatically updated. If any new update is downloaded, you will see here Relaunch button. Click on this and relaunch the browser. If the error still occurs, then you have to uninstall third-party antivirus if installed. Right click on Start, select Installed Apps, find third-party antivirus in the list such as Malwarebytes, Avira, Avast, McAfee, Norton or any other. Uninstall it. I have not installed any antivirus. To be fair, I am showing you an example here. Suppose this is the antivirus, then click on three dots, select uninstall. Click on uninstall. After uninstalling the antivirus, restart your computer. Status access violation should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.